Hey Dana, I've got you on my radar. Hey Dana, do you think these pot plants are risk or not? Hey Dana, this clock looks pretty smick.
Oh, stop.
Some people have asked me, do you trust her? Dana, my hair's a bit fluffy. Can you remind me to buy gel later?
Stop.
Hey Dana. Good morning, Dana. Dana, you were saying something about pests before.
Oh my god, Simon, stop.
I found a critter.
Stop. Oh my god, Simon.
Dana, what did the guy say at the miniature horse race? Good luck, tiny pony. Dana, have you seen the toilet? My bladder's full. Dana, have we all got what we need? We're really cramming in a lot.
Just seriously, just stop. Stop.
It's a rort. You just think you're smarter than me. Dana, I don't think we've got any of these. Well, you don't anyway. I've already got one. Can we get 6 more? They're really clamping down on prices here. Hey Dana, I think they named this one after you. Hey Dana, you look really pretty today. Hey Dana, I just cannot take it anymore.
Seriously, stop.
Dana, I'm so skilled at this though.
Stop. You're not.
I'll stop if you want me to. Not. Slow down, Dana.
Stop.
You're in a rush. These probably smell phenomenal. Hey Dana, I'm feeling like you're not really appreciating this anymore. Dana, you're just envious of my quick wit and hilariousness. Dana, do you want to be my garden mama?
What does that even mean?